In a world that constantly demands answers, directions, and purpose, what if some days were simply meant for being? What if peace could be found not in reaching, but in trusting? Today, let's explore the beauty of existing without expectations. We often believe that every moment must lead somewhere, that every effort must have an outcome. But some of the most profound experiences in life are the ones without an agenda. Some days, the point is simply to sit in the garden, to walk without a destination, to write without needing an ending, to listen without speaking, to love without knowing exactly where that love will lead. We forget that life is not just a series of problems to be solved, but also a collection of moments to be felt. Not everything is a question seeking an answer. Something are meant to just be. When you release the pressure to control every outcome, you make space for peace. You make space to simply exist, to breathe, to in the present without needing to understand where it fits into the bigger picture. Challenge of the day. Today, allow yourself to do something without expectation. Take a walk with no destination, write without goal, or simply sit in silence. Notice how it feels to exist without needing to achieve, fix, or figure something out. Let yourself just be. Some of the most meaningful moments in life are the ones that don't require explanation. Trust that peace can be found in presence. And when you embrace the stillness, you might just find that everything you were searching for was already there. See you tomorrow.